What is up guys, Max here, and welcome back to another quick and easy After Effects tutorial. Today we're learning how to make this glitchy wave transition inside of After Effects. You know how I like it? Really simple and really straightforward. So let's make it. So I have both my clips inside of After Effects. I want it to start on this clip, and then it's going to turn into this clip below it, which is a cow. We all like cows, right? So this is a free plugin that's pretty cool. I've seen a couple videos about it, and I figured I'd make my own, just to share the love and make sure everybody knows what we're doing. So today we're using a plugin called Displacer Pro for After Effects. It's completely free. You can get it on aescripts.com. I'll leave a link down below. So feel free to check it out, download it. It's completely for free. Once you've installed Displacer Pro inside of After Effects, just go to Effects and Presets. Mine's over here on the right. Displacer Pro. Let's drag it onto the first clip right here. Gonna pop open our effects panel. Super simple. We want to first map our top layer to this layer. So we're going to do the map layer right here, and then let's go. It's called the Sports Running Outdoors Fitness, which is definitely not a cow, but that's what this clip is called. Funny enough, it's just stock footage. And then we need to do a couple of settings. So I did the transform right here. Most of these will be closed down when you like open up this plugin at first. And drop down on transform. Let's keyframe the 0 and the X and the Y. It's for like, you know, like vertical displacement, or the X displacement, Y for the vertical displacement. But I did both. Click U on my keyboard just to see the keyframes, because we keyframed these both. Let's go down to here. Let's just type in 100%. We're just gonna go for it. And from here, we do need this transition to kind of fade at some point. So let's hit T on our keyboard with the layer, click the opacity, hit U on our keyboard, drag this opacity back because that's the 100%, and we're going to take this down to 0%. Then we're going to highlight all these keyframes right here, right click, keyframe assistant, and then easy ease. That just allows it to ease as it goes. Now if we go back to comp 1, this is the exact setup that I made before. We can play it back right here. There it is. It is a nice little kind of weird glitch transition. Now you could use this for tech type videos, stuff like that, music videos, I would imagine. But I'm sure you could take this transition to the next level with some other effects as well. But I wanted to show you it from the get-go. As always, guys, I'm Max. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks for being a part of the channel. If you are new to the channel, feel free to like and subscribe. And be sure to check out filmit.io. It is our plugin store for After Effects and Premiere Pro. We have a lot of cool things inside. There is an amazing Discord channel you can join. Click the Join Community button right here to talk to me directly. On our digital tools page, you can see there's a lot of really cool tools. Grid Maker is one of the dopest tools in the set. People really like this, so feel free to check it out. Otherwise, peace.